Hi, I'm Bianca. I'm 23 and last June I graduated from the Department of Men and Mobility here at Design Academy. In a few words, tailor is about 3D printing garments directly on textile. I started this project by a research in retail and I discovered that almost 60% of people cannot find clothing that fit properly their body. And for sure I'm one of them. So I wanted to give people the possibility to wear tailored garments, which are produced in a fair manner, locally, and don't require need of special skills, such as sewing. Therefore, I combined eye technology that's never been really introduced in industry, which is 3D printing in this case, with tailoring traditions and textile. I first created an application with clothing patterns which are responsive, so it means that they adapt depending your body measurements. Then I add to these patterns 3D edges and fasteners, and I print this directly onto fabric. As you might know, 3D printing is not made to print onto rocky surfaces, so I needed to modify the machine to make it work. In this way, the flexible plastics sticks directly onto fabrics and you don't need any glue whatsoever. When the pieces of the pattern are ready, I can assemble the garment by snapping them together. Basically, you don't need any stitching. Your seams are sort of Lego blocks that snaps with each other. In this way, the garment is ready to be worn. Once the garment is assembled, you can still remove parts and add new ones. In the next month, or maybe years even, I really want to carry on with this project. I think it has a lot of possibilities and I think it's pretty new. I mean, the technique, I developed it myself and I couldn't find anything on Google. Plus, I also see in the future to apply new techniques or new technologies to this project. I see 3D scanning to be applied to take people's measurement. And also, I really hope to find or to create or to collaborate to create a filament that is more ecological and feels better for the body. I mean, I really hope that in the future I'm gonna be able to print directly textile. I really believe that every day we are facing harder challenges and issues as society. And I think that us, the creative mind, are the most likely capable to solve those issues and maybe even turn for the better. Of course, this is just my opinion. If I have encountered difficulties during my studies, yes. I mean, it's Design Academy. It's really hard. Especially because I think Design Academy is not a common school. There is not much to study, there is a lot to do though. But I think the most difficult part is that this school really wants you to understand who you are as a person, but especially who you are as a designer. You're constantly being judged not just on your work, but on your vision on your work, on your position, and it really wants you to become critical and to have a position exactly. Where do I stand here? How can I create my own opinion? And I think that's awesome.